distinguished guests, area governor, president of our club. Very good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you very much, Srini. I think your topic is apt. It will help me to metamorphose to a healthy and very active person. Thanks for your topic selected. I think it really it really strikes some of the persons here who are not exercising regularly. To start with, actually I wanted to evaluate based on the project objectives given for Project 9 here. I think Project 9 objectives are to persuade your listeners or audience by choosing an apt topic and by using logic and emotion. I think you did the same. You did it very well. So the topic chosen was very apt, especially working in Cisco, and especially working in Singapore. Two things are being emphasized these days: one, productivity, and then other one, collaboration. Especially being in Toastmasters, we also emphasize more on communication. So when you said when you do exercise, there is clarity in thinking, you will interact more, and then you'll improve on vocabulary. It struck me, right? So I think it is very it makes sense for me very well. So that's one thing. And then with regards to emotion, I think apart from the logic that you used, apart from the physical benefits, you also you mentioned some of the emotional benefits, the hidden benefits as well, like productivity increase, and then vocabulary. But apart from that, you also used emotion by sharing your own experience. So I know you very closely since 5 years I've been here. I know you're not so used to running, right? So again, you started off running, and again you went for cancer run, for 5K run. So that is kind of emotional. I can say usage of emotion by sharing your personal experience. So that is very well done. Apart from that, I also see your speech as interactive. When you asked a question, how many of you do exercise regularly? So that proves it is interactive, and then your eye contact. You are looking at the audience. I could see your comfort in terms of establishing eye contact. And then I can say that your speech is also credible when you mention the research from University of Germany. There are 3 universities that you mentioned, right? So those, when you mention the source, that's how it proves that it is credible. Coming to the points, areas of improvement, I would say that when we are persuading with this kind of topic, it's better we magnify a bit on problem. What is happening currently in Cisco or in Singapore or in Toastmasters, right? So are we exercising very well? What are the issues in not exercising, right? So from there you can easily drive when you're sharing benefits and then actions to persuade. So with that, thank you very much.